Welcome to this channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In this video, we'll explore simple yet profound remedies for holistic well-being. This video will guide you towards a life filled with joy, peace, and vitality. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any valuable insights. Often, the path to achieving this lies in embracing practices that nourish our mind, body, and spirit. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier you together. In the following sections, we'll delve into practical strategies that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. These practices are not about adding more to your already busy schedule. They are about making small shifts in perspective and habit that can lead to profound transformations. Remember, well-being is not a destination but a journey. It's about progress, not perfection. Be kind to yourself, embrace the process, and celebrate each step you take towards a healthier and happier you. Let's begin. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are often racing with thoughts about the past and worries about the future. Mindfulness invites us to step off the treadmill of constant thinking and reconnect with the present moment. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Meditation, a practice closely intertwined with mindfulness, offers a structured approach to cultivating present-moment awareness. By setting aside dedicated time each day to sit or walk with focused attention, we can calm the incessant chatter of the mind and access a deep sense of inner peace. The benefits of mindfulness and meditation are plentiful. Studies have shown that these practices can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional regulation, and even promote physical health. Start small. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing each day can make a world of difference. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration of your practice. Our bodies are designed to move, yet in our modern world many of us lead sedentary lives. Regular exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's essential for our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When we engage in physical activity, our brains release endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Exercise can help reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and improve sleep quality. It also strengthens our bodies, increases energy levels, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Find an activity you truly enjoy. It could be anything from brisk walking or dancing to swimming or cycling. The key is to make it a regular part of your routine. Listen to your body. Start gradually and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Remember, any amount of movement is better than none at all. The food we consume serves as fuel for our bodies and minds. A healthy diet provides us with the nutrients we need to thrive, while an unhealthy diet can deplete our energy and contribute to a variety of health problems. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, which can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Ensure a comfortable sleep environment and establish a consistent bedtime routine. Sleep is the most underappreciated remedy. Sufficient sleep is essential for overall well-being. Social connection. Build strong relationships with friends and family. Social interaction can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of loneliness. Nature and green spaces. Spend time in nature to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Sunlight is the most overlooked happy pill. Exposure to sunlight can regulate mood and energy levels. Gratitude practice. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and express gratitude daily. Hobbies and passions. Engage in activities you enjoy to boost your mood and sense of fulfillment. Mindset. Mindset is the most neglected healer. Cultivate a positive and optimistic mindset to improve resilience and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can have a big impact on your overall health and happiness. Experiment with different practices to find what works best for you. Hope you have watched the full video, and finally make sure to check the video description for products that can support your health and well-being. Thank you.